Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I will give you guys an overview of DogWifTools and all the features that you can find here. So I will do another video with a more in-depth tutorial about this and going through all the setup process with all the details. But in this video it will be a shorter video. It will be just an overview of the software. Okay, so after you install DogWifTools, this is what you see. So you have here 5 sections, so tasks, bundler, wallets, proxies, and settings. So actually the first thing that you need to set up is of course the settings, the proxies, the wallets if you want to do a bundle, and then these two. Okay, so in the settings you have here 4 subsections, if you want to call it this way. So you have the general settings, where you have to input your Discord webhook. This is not necessary, but what you can do is you create a Discord group, and then you get the Discord webhook and you paste it here. You copy and paste it here, and on the group that you create, you will see all the tokens that you launch through DogWifTools. Then you will need a node. Okay, so this is something that you really need in order to do on-chain tasks. So that's something that is required. Okay, when you the best way to do it is to subscribe like a monthly plan or something like that. So you can get those I guess for like between $50 and $100. So some of them accept crypto. Okay, so once you subscribe, you will be able to get the RPC URL and also the WebSocket URL. Okay, this is I will in another video I will go through this. This is important because depending on the location and also the type of node, your tasks will be faster or slower. Okay, then the block engine URL. So you come here to the pick list, and you choose the one that is closest to your location. Cap solver API, the key. So this is something that you need in order to use the comment mode. So DogWifTools will let you also automatically post comments on the Pump.fun listing, but you need to have the cap solver API key. So you need to subscribe to a service, to a cap solver service, and get the API key. User interface scale, customize the scale of the entire application. So honestly, I don't know the difference. I would let this on 1.0. Then volume, you have here 2 options in terms of modes or strategies that you can use when you are utilizing DogWifTools. You can do a bundler on the first block, or on demand, or with delay, or you can just use the volume feature, meaning that after the token is deployed, you can like set up a number of wallets to buy supply. Okay, so for this you will need to get the private key of your wallet that will be used for the G2 tip. Then you define, so this is the private key of a wallet that tips to ensure transactions processes buy and sell, recommended to keep consistent with sender. So you need this is something that you need to set up if you want to use the volume bot, the volume feature, right? Then you have here the G2 tip amount Well, they recommend 0.005. It's up to you. You need to like find the sweet spot, because the higher the tip, the higher transaction success, of course, but it will be more expensive, of course. And then the funder private key. So the funder private key is the key of the wallet that distributes Solana amongst generated wallets. Honestly, these two can be the same. So you can use the wallet for the Jito tip and the funder. You can use the same wallet, so you will use the same private key. Okay. Then for the bundler, you have here a lot of setup to do as well. So first, you define the amount of SOL to buy on the dev wallet. Okay, because you know that, because if you have launched or deployed the token on Pump.fun, you know that you can set up an amount of SOL to buy when you deploy the contract. So you do it here, 1.5, 2.2.0, whatever you want. And then this is the minimum buy amount and the maximum buy amount. So the minimum amount of SOL to buy on bundled wallets, and this is the maximum. So you just put here like a range, okay? It all depends on your strategy. So for instance, 0.5, 0.75, or 1 and 2.2, whatever you want, okay? So use Jito proxyless. Well, they do not recommend it, so you leave it as false. And then the Jito tip amount. So this is the same as before for the volume. So you need to set up like the Jito tip amount. Again, play with it. So 0.005 is the recommended amount. You can leave it like this, or you can, if you are finding that the transactions are failing or they are slower, you can increase a bit, or you can decrease to spend like a little less. Okay. Then the block endpoint. So I leave it like this, the UK. I don't use this. The block route API key, but if you have an account, you can use it, because there's a mode. We will go through that. That can use Jito, blocks route, and also your RPC to make it more, to make the bundle more natural. Okay. And then you have the funder private key, the Jito tip private key, and the dev wallet private key. So these two, the funder and the Jito, can be the same wallet. So you just copy and paste the private key here to these two fields, and then the dev wallet private key. So these must be different. So you need at least two wallets. If you want, you can use three. I would use two. So one for the funder and the Jito tip, and another one for the dev wallet. Okay. And then you have here the bump it. So the bump it will do like very small buys and sells. All you need here is the funder private key. You just copy and paste it here. Okay. So let's move on. Proxies. So you will need proxies. So if you are using, for instance, like 20 wallets to do the bundle, you will need like 20 proxies minimum. So I advise you to get like 30. So there are some cheap proxy services that you can subscribe. Again, try to choose proxy locations near your RPC, your node, and also your location or the VPS location. Okay, so you just you can like manage proxies. You just paste the proxies here, and you can use them. Okay, so let's move on. Wallets. So for the wallets, you have here three subsections: the volume, the bundler, and the bump it. So I'm just going to show you for one of them because the process is the same. So you can come here and you can generate the number of wallets that you want. So for instance, let's go with 5 wallets. Okay, you can use like 20, 1, 2, whatever you want. So confirm. So generating wallets, and the wallets are generated. So you have them here. Okay, So one thing that you need to do is you right away, and that's what I recommend, you just do an export of the address of the wallet and the key. That way you are safe. If for some reason DogWifTools doesn't work, you can like import these wallets to your Phantom wallet, and you can then do whatever you want with them. Okay, so another important, you can also import files that you have exported before. Okay, then you have here the check balance, so now it's 0, of course, and you have here the create profile. So if you click here, what DogWifTools will do is create profiles, and I'm having an error. No, it's not. So profile generated for wallet 1, for wallet 0, 1, 2, and 3, and then the final one. So what it does is like generating activity in your wallet. So if you go to Pump.fun and you go to and you check these wallets, it will show you like that it has already owned several, or it owns several tokens. So it's like masking the wallets, because if you do it with like 20 new wallets, they will be completely fresh wallets, and probably it won't look as natural. Okay, so down here you can send salt wallets. So once you do the settings and you copy and paste the funder wallet and fund the wallet, because you need funds to do it, you come here and you click send sol, and then you, for instance, send like 100 sol to each wallet, and then you click confirm. Okay, so it will take you like, I don't know, probably half a minute or something like that, and you can come back and click check balance, and you will see the balance update. So I didn't do it, so that's why you still see 0. Okay, so if you then launch a token, sell all the SPL tokens in these wallets, for SOL, you can then return the SOL to the main wallet. So you just click here, and automatically you will see the process going on. So in this case, failed to get balance for wallet because there are no funds. They have 0. Okay, and you can also transfer SPL to wallet. SPL means the token that you created. You can transfer them to a specific wallet. Okay, so then once you want to generate new wallets, you come here, you select all, and you delete selected, and that's it. You do the same for volume and for bump it. Okay, then the bundler. First you have the manage launch. If you click here, you have all the info that you also need to input when you are deploying a token on directly on Pump.fun. So I will go back to these first 3 fields, but let's go with the ones that you see here. So the token name, the token symbol, the description, the Twitter, Telegram, website, and vanity token mint. So if it is true, it means that the token address, contract address, will have the pump in the end. So if you go with false, it won't have like the pump. So I would let it as true. Okay, and then upload image, you click the button and you upload whatever image you want. So going back to the first fields, you have 2 modes. You have the safe mode. The safe mode means that the bundle will be made in the first block, and no one will be able to front run you. So you will guarantee that you will be the first to buy with the dev wallet and then the bundled wallets. So the problem with this mode is that it will be flagged on most trading bots. So on Photon or Bullex or all the others, you will be these transactions will be marked as bundled, and that might somehow alert other investors, and they can stay out. Okay, so what you can do is use the experimental, and the experimental is like not a bundle, but it's more like a mass snipe. So if you have like 10 wallets and you will do the bundle with the experimental mode, it will sequentially do the bundle. So the first wallet, then the second, then the third. So it's a lot more natural, and these transactions won't be flagged as bundled. But the disadvantage of this is that someone can front run you. So if you have like bots, they can get in between, and well, but anyhow, it will give you like a much more natural process. So on the experimental mode, you have like regular and on demand. So if you choose regular, you have here like a delay. It means that if you put 0, it means that right after the deployment of the contract, the process will begin. But you can like put like, I don't know, like 1000 milliseconds, 3000 milliseconds. It means that only 1 second after, or 3 seconds, or whatever you define, the process will start, the bundle will start. Okay, you have also the on-demand. The on-demand means that you will have a button like the one you see here, so drop bundle. So you start the process, the token is deployed, and then when you are ready to go, you click the button and the bundle starts. Clone token, it means that you can come here and copy and paste here a token contract address, and what you will see is that all these fields will be replaced by the ones that were used by that specific token. Okay, so before starting, you will need to click here and do prepare launch. So this is just something that you click, and it will do the preparation. So there's an issue with the node that I'm using right away, so that's why I'm seeing this error. Okay, after clicking prepare launch and everything is okay, you click start and the process will start. Okay, so once the token is deployed, you have several options here. So you can click dump all. It means that you will sell all the wallets, including the dev wallet. You can click dump all, and you need to enter like a percentage and include dev wallet or not. So this is more versatile. You can just choose whatever you want. Single sell, so you just choose the percentage and the wallet that you want to sell. So holders count and also dev wallet. Dev wallet, you just put here you input the percentage, and you go ahead with selling the dev wallet, and then send SPL. So you can also send all the SPL to the dev wallet. Okay, so click here, and it will. So the RPC is not working. So, and I didn't set this up. So no tokens found, but the tokens would be sent to the dev wallet. And you have down here also something that is important because you start on Pump.fun, but if the token bonds and liquidity is migrated into Raydium, you will need to use this. So you will use this. So prepare Raydium, and then you have here Raydium dump all or Raydium single sell. So you will sell all your wallets, including the dev wallet, or you can do single sells. Okay. And finally, the tasks. Okay. So here you have 4 types of tasks that you can do. So you have the buy. Okay. I'm going to click to type buy, and you have the mode. So the mode is micro buy or generate volume. Micro buy, let's do this just to show you micro buy. Okay, create, and then if you come here, and you click task, you just enter the token contract address, the minimum buy amount and the maximum buy amount, and then the delay between transactions, and then you save and you will do micro buys. And let's go back here. So let's see buy, and let's use the gen volume. So gen volume. So you can set up this once. You see that I've created them, and you just click here, you click create tasks, and then you enter, you copy and paste the token address, and then the minimum and the maximum, and then the delay. Okay, so let's go to the sell. So you have sell all. Okay, sell. So remember that these tasks, they exist, and you can set it up after the token has been deployed. Or you can, for instance, you can even use them for a token that you did not deploy. If you want to do like a CTO, you can use this. Okay, so sell all, create, then create tasks, the same. So token, contract address, and the delay. Save. Let's cancel. And then let's once again go with sell, and then single cell. So single cell, create, and task, you just paste the token contract address and select the wallet. So I don't have any setup, so I don't see any here. Okay, you can then use the comment. Okay, comment, create, and task, and you just paste the token address and then comments. Okay, and you use this, so you just repeat a lot of comments using this format. Okay, and cancel, and then you also have the bump it. Okay, let's do bump it, create, and then task. So token, contract address, buy amount, delay, and then the wallet that you are going to use for the bump it. Okay, so that's it, guys. So you can set up this once, and then each time you launch a new token, you just come by, and if you want to use like the sell all, you just come here and you just change the token contract address. Okay, so yeah, so I think I went through all. So the video was a bit longer than I was expecting, but anyhow, it is what it is. So if you have doubts, you have you can click the link on here for the documentation, and that's it, guys. Okay, so if you want to buy the DogWifTools, just use the link below. I will create a Discord group, and I will have like a private exclusive section or channel for people who buy through my link, with very specific and detailed strategies that you can use to make money using DogWifTools. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.